Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi everyone, my name is Nosipho Ndlovu. I am from Durban. I am the founder and director of Ziyana Detergents. Ziyana Detergents is a company that manufactures household cleaning detergents. We manufacture dishwashing liquid, thick bleach, pine gel, and cream cleaner. My business was formed last year, mid-year in June, but we only registered the business this year. Now, the reason why I am so passionate about this business and why I formed it was because I want my products to be part of the leading brands or to eventually become the leading brand. I don't see why we continue supporting other brands which are not manufactured locally. So if we as South Africans can do it ourselves, why not start now? So with such a high rate of unemployment in South Africa, this came to mind that this can be the solution to this problem in South Africa. And so with that said, we are Ziyana Detergents and we are located in Newlands West and Newlands East in Durban. You can find us on Facebook at Ziyana Detergents and our number is 071-877-5948. Hi everyone, my name is Nosipho Ndlovu and I am a township entrepreneur.